Hi guys, in this video we are going to talk about spectroscopy. So what is spectroscopy? It is a field of science that deals with study of interaction of electromagnetic radiation with matter. Now why should we need spectroscopy? We need it because it is used to analyze and quantify atoms and molecules and study about materials. Before explaining spectroscopy, let us clearly understand what is electromagnetic radiation. Electromagnetic radiation consists of discrete packets of energy called photons, which consist of both an electric and a magnetic field oscillating perpendicular to each other. Let us see how the fields oscillate. In this diagram, you may notice that the direction of radiation is perpendicular to both the electric and magnetic fields. Electromagnetic radiation has three main properties: frequency, wavelength and amplitude. Frequency is the number of times the wave oscillates per second. It is denoted by nu, and wavelength is the distance between the two nearest crest and troughs. It is denoted as lambda. Now the relationship between wavelength and frequency can be expressed as c equal to nu lambda, where c is the speed of light. The photon is subjected to energy expressed as E equal to h nu. H is nothing but it is a Planck constant. Now we have understood the electromagnetic radiation. Let us discuss the principle of spectroscopy. When electromagnetic radiation incidents on a material, some spectrum of radiation will be absorbed and some will be reflected. Based on that, we can study about the materials. This is called spectroscopy. Now, since there is absorption and emission of radiation when it incidents on a material, it gives rise to two types of spectroscopy: emission spectroscopy and absorption spectroscopy. Absorption spectroscopy is about the study of radiation spectrum which has been absorbed by the material, and emission spectroscopy is where we study the radiation spectrum which has been reflected by the material. Thank you.